the example number 5. So, in here, ito na yung real-life application ng topic natin na joint and combined variation. Okay, so the given would be the time t it takes to construct a highway, okay, varies directly as the length of the road. Okay, so I use the L as to represent the length. With the number of workers, W is the number of workers. It takes 50 workers and 8 weeks to construct 2 kilometers of highway. How long will it take 80 workers to construct 15 kilometers of highway? So there are things na kailangan natin consider dito sa ating part ng ating topic. So first is to write the relationship between the variables t, ito kasing ginamit, no? T, which represents the time, the length, and the width. Okay, so kailangan natin makita kung paano sila, ano yung mga relationship ng tatlong variable na yan. Okay, we can say that it can be expressed as this particular equation. T is equal to K, which is the constant, of course, may constant, times L over width. Again, sabi kasi dito yung time varies directly sa length, kaya siya dito inilagay sa taas. Okay? But inversely naman sa number of workers, kaya nasa baba yung W. Okay? I hope na-gets niyo yung part na yun. So, this is the formula representation na ang gagamitin natin dito. Again, lalagyan ko lang dito ng note para hindi kayo malito. This one is varies directly. This one is varies inversely. Saan nyo makikita yan? Makikita nyo yun dun sa mismong. So, inversely. Now, we want to find out the K first. So, para mahanap natin K, siguro isulat na natin yung mga given dito, no, para hindi malito. So, the first given here, yung unang given ng worker, that is 50. Okay? Ang kanyang length or kanilang time daw, no, para matapos yung unang gawain, unang highway, which is it takes 8 weeks to do that. Okay? Also, yung kanilang length na magagawa naman, that is 2 kilometers. Okay? So, ang tanong, yung isa naman, given naman yung workers na 80, mas marami sila compare sa una. Tapos, yung how long, ito yung pangalawang hinahanap, no? Pangalawang time na hinahanap. Na, ang na-construct kasi nila is yung 15 kilometers, no? So, syempre, mas malaki yung na-construct nila kasi mas marami sila. Pero, gaano kaya katagal yun? Yung kanilang paggawa. Okay? So, tignan natin using the formula. Okay, so we have here the T. The first time, we have here 8. So, we want to write 8 here equals K times yung unang length natin, we have 2 over the width, which is 50. So, we want to find the K here, right? So, for us to find the K, we can cross multiply 50 times 8, that is going to be 400. Tama? So, 1 times K, 1 times K times 2, that is, we have here 2K, right? 2K. And then, dividing both sides by 2, leaving as the K is equal to 400 divided by 2, 200. Okay? That is the vital part of our discussion. Kailangan mo nang mahanap yung constant. Ngayon, nahanap na natin ng constant, gagamitin na natin itong equation na to. So, we have T equals K, which is yung 200 na yung constant natin, times length over the number of workers. Okay, yan yung gagamitin natin. Now, we will be using this particular part. Okay, so I will use red ball pen para i-represent yan. So, the time is missing. Right? Ito yung hinahanap. So, the 200, that is the constant. We want to write the 200 here. And the second length, we have 15. Over, natapos down lang, yung number of workers naman natin is 80. Okay? So, for us to find how long, the time, we can simplify this particular part. So, we have 200 times 15. 200 times 15. We can say that that is equal to 3,000, if I'm not mistaken. Divided by 80. Okay? So, 3,000 divided by 80, the final answer or the time is 37.5. Okay? So that is the time given to them to finish itong 15-kilometer highway na to. Though, nadagdagan ng workers, pero mas matagal pa rin yung time na kanilang iti-take para matapos ang gawain na yon. Okay, again, as we conclude, it will take 37.5 weeks. Imagine niyo yun? For 80 workers to construct 15 kilometers of highway. So that is the final answer for this real-life application of the joint and combined variation. And finally, as part of your problem that you need to solve, you need to try this particular fifth problem. If how many it takes time, no? How long will it take 6 painters to complete a 450 square meters house with this prior given sa unahan? Okay? So, tignan nyo po yan, aralin, at balikan nyo po yung process kanina because that is parallel to this try it number 5. Okay, kung anong ginawa natin dito sa first part, yun lang din naman ang gagawin natin dito sa second part. Okay? So, I believe this concludes our session for today. And once again, this is our session for today about the joint and combined variation.